Hi, my name is Dr. David Benversi. I'd like to share with you the most common causes of neck pain. Now, there are two main things that give us our main issues. There's either a major trauma or a minor trauma. Now, when we're referring to that major trauma, a lot of times we see this in auto accidents or some type of a major fall or injury like that. When we're talking about our minor injuries, we're talking a lot about things that are more repetitive as far as your bad posture throughout the day, picking something up or holding something for a long period of time, and that would be more along the lines of the minor trauma. And when we're looking at the neck, there's a couple things that we can have that will give us that pain. One of the main things that we're going to be looking at is the joints. The next thing we're going to be looking at is the discs in those areas, and also the last thing we're going to be looking at the nerves. The joints themselves are going to be basically those areas between the bones above and below, and those joints themselves are called facets, and sometimes when those facets get jammed or they're pushing against each other, that can be a very sensitive area and can cause pain in those areas. When we're talking about the disc in those areas, those discs can sometimes push out or be squeezed in certain areas that they're not supposed to go and apply area and cause pain in that fashion there. And then lastly, we're going to be talking about the nerves. And the nerves, if they're not functioning properly, if they're having anything push on them, they can cause pain and have more of the pinched nerve in your neck as well. Now, a lot of the most common things that we see with our patients as far as the things that they present in our office is they present with pain. They definitely normally present with either muscle spasm or muscle tightness, and they also normally have a decrease in range of motion. Now, with those three things being said, a lot of times if we're unable to do those, there's a couple things that those are going to affect in our patients' lives. One of the most important things is people in their work life and what they're able to function and do at work, how they're going to be able to concentrate, how long they're going to be able to work. The next thing that's going to affect is their ADLs, or basically their activities of daily living. And when we're referring to that, we're talking about our personal hygiene, your ability to be able to wash your hair, to blow dry your hair, whatever you might need to do, and be able to move your neck around. And lastly would be to more or less do the things you need throughout the day, as far as turning your head behind your shoulder when you're backing your car out or putting your shirt on. So those are the most common things or symptoms that we see with neck pain. If you have pain, we'd love to help you. Please give our office a call at 618-519-9334.